Friends, I'm going to show you how I make a really delicious garlic butter and parsley noodles. And I'm using egg noodles. I've got my water boiling. Well, it's getting ready to boil. It's almost there. And these are wonderful. It's almost ready. You want your pot to boil? Put a lid on it. And it'll boil really fast. These noodles are good, and I'm making them with just plain egg noodles. Now, a lot of people make them with the spaghetti noodles. You can make them with any pasta you want. They're wonderful. That's almost ready. I've got some fresh garlic, probably about 3 good cloves of fresh garlic. I got an entire stick of butter, and I've got parsley, salt, pepper, and an oil for my pan. I made barbecued ribs yesterday, so we're going to have leftover ribs, and then I just put this together for a side dish for it. Alright, our pasta, or our water's boiling, so in is going to go my pasta, and this is an entire pound. One big bag. I'm going to put a little bit of olive oil in there. And a little bit of salt, because that's about the only time you're going to get to really season your pasta is when it's cooking. That it'll soak in anyway. So, we are going to time these for 11 minutes because that's when they will be perfect. We're going to put the lid on and leave a crack there. Leave a little gap so that it don't boil over. We're going to time it for 11 minutes. And in 11 minutes, I'll be back. Friends, I'm back. And you see, they cooked for 11 minutes. And I just drained them. I didn't rinse them. I just drained them out. Now I'm going to put that butter and I'm going to put the garlic in here. My gosh, that garlic is fresh and smells wonderful. So I'm just going to mix that up a little bit. It'll only take not even a minute for that butter to all melt into these noodles. And it'll be wonderful. Okay, now with that, I'm just going to put just a little bit of pepper in there because you know we like pepper. Now you don't have to use the pepper. And I'm just going to sprinkle parsley all around it. Give it a good mix. You can even serve it with a little Parmesan cheese too if you wish. I just like plain old butter parsley noodles. They're wonderful. I need a little more parsley in there. They'll be wonderful. That's it. We'll put a few in our little dish here. So you can see that. Sprinkle a little parsley on the top. And there you have it. Look at how nice those look. What a wonderful side dish. Budget friendly too. There you have it, friends. Thanks for watching.